Dun, 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 dun. Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want. Yo. Ba, 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 ba. All right, guys. We just long everything, no stop loss. That's the plan. Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want. We long everything, no stop loss. Everybody know I'm better. Yeah, I'm better. It don't matter. Pockets fatter. Money longer. Different song, bruh. Different producer. Peep this long on gold, though, yo. Peep the indicator calling it out, too. The first thing that I'm going to do tomorrow is literally get GLD long contracts and just hold that bitch all the way to the highs up here. Boy, that's off at the bottom. Made my way to the top. Just long everything, just no stop. Turn that shit to a lot. Dude, I'm so happy that I got call options before market close, bro. Oh my god. If we confirm bullish structure, bro, on NASDAQ, dude, all-time highs is literally a given. Like, if the 4-hour closes above here, bro, 4-hour bullish order block, outside of New Week opening gap, low of the week set in here, oh my god, come on. Come on. Yeah, no, we have SMT, look. Whoa, what's for lunch? Don't touch. No, no, they know not. Look. Pour ourselves on the bottom. Made my way to the top. Hello. I'll tell you right now, tomorrow, I'm literally getting GLD calls right at open. Oh, tomorrow's quad wishing. Oh, fuck. Is it tomorrow? Oh, actually, no, it would be tomorrow. Tomorrow's OPEX. Oh, fuck. Move to tomorrow. If NQ closes above here, bro, we're going to all-time highs. Like, no doubt. No doubt. Yeah. What do you mean I don't care about New Week opening gap? Dude, no. Dude, Brandon, we're not trading Friday. We're not trading Friday, bro. How is Panama doing? Is it still tie game? Fuck. That game's going to be a draw. Who told me to take draw? I should have taken draw. Idiot. We filled Newbie opening gap on NQ, bro. Look at it. We filled that bitch. That jaw filled. Just long, no stop loss. I'm looking at the score above. It's still 0-0. 76 minutes in. I have Panama. I have Panama. What's the next game? Colombia? Colombia? Ah. Which contracts are you guys looking at that didn't fill the gap? Okay. Oh no. I just always run continuous contracts. Make sure your contracts, your adjustment is always on. Adjustment for contract change. Make sure that's always on. You always have that on. You always should have that on. Always, bro. Go to the bottom right. Bottom right. There's a button here next to the time zone and your electronic trading hours. Where all the dogs needed out. Yourself. Like a classroom. Did we get news happening? Did news come in overnight? I love that we're popping from here, though. I love that we're popping from here. It's like actually prime. Let's see what we got right now. What is that? Oh, it's here it is. This is still like one of my favorite songs right now. How do you draw your standard deviations? It's the indicator. Come on, Panama. bum, 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 bum. Cal, let you know. You're the only one I see. Cal, you're down 4R this week, bro? I have two indicators stacked. My forever model indicator and this one here. CD underscore quarterly cycles, blah, blah, blah. Bro, this morning, bro, the key this morning was wait. I honestly think that waiting for the first 15-minute candle after equities open is like literally the major key. I did want shorts though all morning. This was just a hiccup. A clean move really didn't come about until FOMC. I saw a lot of people took shorts on the Dow today. On the Dow, it was actually pretty clean. FOMC days are difficult. Well, at least AM. If you're impatient, I think the best move really was the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones or ES post FOMC. I think that was the best move. My bias is literally just long. Like, literally just long. What's up, brother? I think 9:30 open depend. If you're inexperienced, like if you don't have a lot of skin in the game in the market, I would always preface to wait until after the first 15-minute candle prints from 9:30. If you have experience and you can understand true price delivery and invalidation points, then you can trade prior to the open or right after the open. Bro, damn, Brandon. I catch bangers after 10 a.m. But again, also, but the trades that I take or how I trade, I try and capitalize on the expansion of the entire daily candle. Like that's how I that's like my bread and butter. If I can establish a clear daily high and low set in, and I can get on side from a 5 or a 15-minute perspective, and then just trade the expansion of that daily candle, that's money to me. No, oh my god, bro, Panama's right there to score. What kind of desk chair do I have? I don't know. I got it at Staples, actually. It's got this logo on it. It was like, this chair is actually crazy. It's got a massage. It's got a massage button on it, and it's like it got like a heated seat. So if I hit this button here on the back, here I'll show you guys. So there's this button on the back, and I just click it, and it basically massages my entire back. And then there's another button that makes it be a heated seat, which is fire. Bro, BM, I swear. I mean, Herman Miller chairs are nice, but yo, like, this is amazing. Like, this massages my entire back, and I can flip it out, and I can just I can put my legs out. This chair is fucking, I love this chair. Panama. Fuck too much. Damn, this game's gonna be a draw, isn't it? We have fun during Asia, bro. Brandon, I'm not gonna lie, my brother is a plug for it. And then I know a bunch of DJs that just tell me events that they have. Or you could follow a bunch of DJs on Dice. Eat 'em up. Did I watch UFC 250? Yeah. It was fucking amazing. It was amazing. It was amazing. But poor Ilya, bro. I still can't fucking believe it. I can't believe that man, his face got fucking mangled. And I think that Ilya literally should have finished off Gaethje that one round where he had that crazy liver shot. But it was also insane because every fight on that card ended in a knockout. Every fight. That's insane. Every fight ended in a knockout. I didn't have any money on Ilya or Gaethje. I had Gane to win, not by knockout. I just had him straight, and I was an idiot. I bet against Bo Nickel. Bo Nickel dominated Kyle Daukaus. I had Diego Lopez straight. I had Diego Lopez straight, Daukaus straight, and Gane straight. Dude, how funny was it at the end of the fight when Josh Hokett literally goes, Alex Pereira, I want a Shama on your mama, and then he goes, Michelle Obama is a man. Dude, that was the funniest thing I've ever seen. The funniest thing I've ever seen. I know Trump was cracking the fuck up when he heard that. Do my physical fitness. Pick him up, beat him up. You didn't find when he said Michelle Obama is a man funny? I genuinely thought that was the funniest thing I've ever heard in my life. If you haven't seen the videos or the memes, or not even memes, like full-blown videos with evidential proof that there's something slinging between those legs, I believe that you should go watch that, because I think that was hilarious. Okay. I didn't know that I was hurting feelings in here by saying that. And if that's a problem, then you can leave. That was genuinely the funniest thing I've ever seen. Michelle is, yeah, she really is. Yeah. Damn it, Panama's gonna fuck. It's gonna be a draw, dude. Damn it. I mean, it's all jokes, but clearly, like, you don't have to get butthurt about it. If somebody went up there and said Melania looked like a trans, I'd laugh too. Genuinely, it's funny, but you're so pressed for no reason. Clearly, you are swinging so far to the other side. It's just humor. I would literally laugh in either scenario. Let's see if we can get a drop down, hopefully on the Dow Jones to 52,136, create an SMT, and then maybe continue higher. That's what I'll pay attention to. Get a drop down to here. I love hearing these opinions from other people. It actually makes me crack up hearing your guys' thoughts. Yeah, nothing's allowed to be funny, but I can say whatever the fuck I want, so it doesn't matter. Set alerts here at 52,136. Set alerts on ES at 7534. Set alerts on NQ at 3269. You say a drone attack during that? Yeah, I am, Eric. Always have been, always will be. Always have been, always will be, my friend. What? No way. Did they actually score? No! Damn it! Fuck. That's crazy. I got persuaded into taking Panama. Fuck. I know. It's fine. It's whatever. Fuck. Actually, I did have correct... I did take correct score 2-0. 2-0 Panama. But call me. Call me. I hope YM gives the SMT. I don't look at the 1 minute chart for entries, bro. It's not my forte. Yeah, I mean, I don't know enough about football, if I'm being honest with you. I basically just read the chat in Discord, and I was like, yo, what do you guys think? And then I just took whatever the first person I saw said. But I was never a big football fan up until recently. It's kind of growing on me. I do have Netherlands to win it all. What do you guys think about that? No, I literally am saying football because I don't want to say soccer because I feel like people are gonna get mad. One of my boys told me to take Netherlands to win it all. Also, Messi is insane. Messi is disgusting. Yo, listen, I know nothing. I literally know absolutely nothing about the sport. I know absolutely nothing about the sport. I just listened to what a friend told me, and I was like, sure. That was it. Who plays tomorrow? Who plays tomorrow? Let's see. Tomorrow... Oh, we have Colombia at 10 o'clock. Here's the new 9 o'clock. Here's the new candle coming in at 9 o'clock. We're going to see how this plays out here. I'm hoping that tonight isn't just upwards just continuous expansion without giving execution, but I'm gonna see what we can I'm gonna see if we can capitalize on something. I really want to get a continuation. I really want to get a continuation here. There's a 30-minute fair value gap. At bare minimum, maybe we get like a continuation from a 30-minute gap. Needs some sort of fair value gap tag. I basically set alerts on all three. Alright, so we got alerts on all three. Switzerland and Czech definitely gonna win. The guy who predicted the last, yes, the guy who, that's why I took it. My boy said it. The guy that predicted the last two winners of the World Cup predicted what's it called? Netherlands to win. Yo, gold is fucking ripping right now. The valley. Damn, we can't even get a 30-minute gap tag on indices, huh? What colors do you want to change on the indicator, bro? You cookie, I'll show you my entry on gold. you're gonna shit your pants. I've been in gold long since the low. I'm waiting for a 30-minute gap tag on one of the three assets. I'm literally holding gold all the way to these highs here. Oh, 90210. Ugh, come on. Let me get a 30-minute gap tag at least, bro. We're just expanding. This is good bias going into tomorrow and really good for my call options. That's literally what I did, bro. It's literally exactly what I did. Damn, we are just expanding. It was a 15-minute gap tag, but there was no SMT inside of that 15-minute gap. 90210. You guys see that? 15-minute gap tag. Just no SMT within the gap. I gotta have some sort of SMT. I see, bro. Trust me, I see. I see, trust me. Let it fly, let it fly. Let it fly. You guys will see it tomorrow. Really want like an SMT fill or something, bro. My phone. Oh. Trump signed the agreement earlier today. That's why they were pumping. Yeah, that makes sense. Makes sense. Ah. It's gonna be okay. Appreciate it, brother. That's all priced in, bro. War's been over. Damn, I really want to get a continuation on indices, bro. I want to get a continuation and hold it into tomorrow. It's alright, just dance, gonna be okay. What up, Adam? Damn. How's RTY look? Be okay. Let me get in. Let me in. Dun, doo, doo, dun, dun. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Wow. If we close above here, it's literally long central. If we close above this, it's literally just... It's moonshot in my opinion. That's what I think. View on oil. What do we got on oil right now? Oil's still bearish for me. Bearish until the monthly gap. Oil tagging the monthly bullish fair value gap. And hopefully oil can trade deep within the monthly gap. Like maybe reach the volume imbalance potentially down here, which would allow indices or at least NQ to retake all-time highs. I use Schwab and I use Webull as well. Well, TOS. Thinkorswim. That's what I do. That's what I do. Was there anything on the lower time frame, like the 1 minute? I wish there was at least some sort of SMT that I could have played around with here. And now we have a bearish 90 minute. Good exit. We are just busted, bro.
I'm gonna take you in my gym and show you how I've trained to be the world. Bro, you put your whole
M3 SMT LOL. That's it. Yeah. See, that's what I'm saying, bro. I don't even see the M3. The M3 SMT is here. That's it. That's it. Ugh. Bum 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 bum. Fly like a G6. So you guys think all-time highs now? Or what? Do we think all-time highs, or is this a fake move? Here, I'm gonna get a poll. I want to hear this. I want to hear this. I want to hear this, actually. All-time highs, or is this a fake move? I have QQQ and SPY calls that expire next Friday. I got those today. From London to LA. Ticket. Nah, I don't think that's enough, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And I don't trust it because it's a 90-minute SMT at the highs. Not too far. You'll be my drunk call. Money. You look at different girl. Disco baby. Wanna kiss my baby. My body rocks the rhythm. Body rocks the rhythm. Rocks the rhythm. Low key, maybe. Even though I really don't want to short this. I really don't want to short this. I really want it to, I want a long. I only want a long. And like you're also not shorting from anything. You're shorting from, I mean like there's technically a 90-minute gap here, but like it's not, I don't think it's enough for me. We'll have it marked off and everything. Bum 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 bum. Oh, this is equal highs, Cookie? On MES? Yeah, I think it's probably just going to continue, I'm not going to lie. Hit my phone, like, where you at? So that. But low probably, yeah. Yeah, that's fair. Really wish I had an SMT to work with here. Not up in it anyway. Mm-mm. Cookie, I just tagged you in the Discord on the gold longs that I took. I closed it at OT the range. That was Late Reply by Prince. All this stuff is on my SoundCloud actually. All of it's on my SoundCloud. Yeah, bro, I'm not. I just market bought it. For me to swallow. Literally makes up for my cuts this week and more. My brother has a full-blown like mix that he made, and it's on SoundCloud actually. Dance the night away. Beautiful. Every single day. Options contracts expiring. Price gets a little funky that day. Price gets a little funky. On the way for me to swallow. I was trying to get along on indices, yeah. We were watching this 30-minute fair value gap, but we're struggling to get some SMT out of it. Same thing with the 15-minute. I was even good. I would have even been down for the 15-minute, but everything just all three assets are correlating together. Take me on the way. Every single day. Dude, these options are gonna be up stupid fat tomorrow, brother. Holy shit. Wow. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, but I don't even think that this bearish SMT is gonna hold here. I don't think the SMT is gonna hold between YM and NQ. Indicator plotted off a short here, but I don't trust YM. I have a mixture of like my house music and my gym music. Yeah, no, I bought SPY contracts, but like SPY I bought like where did I buy SPY? I bought SPY like here. Like within this candle, and then we had a massive drop, so my contracts got fucked a little bit. But the real play was when we tagged the new week opening gap. That's when I was adding into QQQ. Because my only invalidation point is what? Like if we close off the fucking new week opening gap. That's my invalidation point. Push me to the edge. And mine expire next Friday, so I'm willing to hold these into next week, especially if we're gonna have bullish structure moving for the week, or moving to close the week and going into the weekend, bro. Like, if we confirm bullish PD arrays here, like, there's no reason why we wouldn't like trade higher. Like a closure above here, a closure above here. If we inverse this 4-hour gap, like. We're fucking sending it. Another one that I want is I want fucking gold. I want gold. A gold swing position. Monthly bullish fair value gap. SMT divergence. We have the run of the low, the closure above the down close candle that ran the short-term lows. 1 to 2 risk reward is here at 4666.1. And then we have all of this low resistance liquidity above. That's what I think. Say you fake, huh? For my king. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm definitely gonna be building more tomorrow. If we can get a good add-on too, because I didn't put on too much size. But if I can get a good add-on, I will be adding more to that position for sure. Yeah, I think that it's time. I think gold is primed actually. I love the monthly on I really do like the monthly on gold. I'm a big fan of this. We had a good healthy retracement. We have a tag of a higher time frame bullish fair value gap. We have an SMT divergence within that fair value gap resting here. We have that lower low on gold. We have the higher low on silver. All within the key level. We have the external high resting above. And then we have a good reaction confirming bullish structure on that monthly time or on the daily time frame. Like, I think this looks pretty good. Indicators also plotting it too. Like my plan tomorrow for gold is literally just remove these drawings. Getting GLD call options and then putting them at a target of just like any swing high that I see above. Like swing high here, all this. Because then you also monitor and you look to the left. Every single fair value gap resting in this swing has been utilized for a delivery of an internal to an external range move. This gap here, all of these PD arrays have already been mitigated. The only one that actually even up here too. This gap here was also tagged. So the targets above, in my opinion, should be low resistance liquidity if we confirm structure, and even more confirmation is if we inverse this daily bearish fair value gap here. Then I'm like, all right, yo, like we are going. And then on top of that, if we get a good strong bullish close tomorrow on gold, there's this small weekly bearish fair value gap here if we could inverse that tomorrow and close above 4396.6. That's another factor. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I haven't even looked at dollar, if I'm being honest with you. I haven't checked dollar in a while. What is that thing doing? I know it went crazy. Let's check it out. Also, not financial advice. CRWV. CRWV. Position ad from this daily bullish for value gap. Stock play. Reaccumulation from the daily gap. Longs. If anybody's interested. 132, 138. If we could just open up at all-time highs, that would be great. That would be great. I would be a very, very happy man. I'd be a very happy man. Wow, this is how you know that we made the right. You make the right move to not trade foreign currencies for the longest time. This thing has been, dollar has been in a range since June of 2025 for literally an entire year. So happy that I stepped away from this. What's... There's a monthly fair value gap here. Unmitigated gap. Yeah, options, bro. I'm literally just buying fair value gaps in low risk buys, but primarily accumulation or reaccumulation stages of market maker buy models. It's as simple as that. Sweet like candy. Like the example of this stock play that I've been playing out and calling to my Discord is CRWV. I've literally just been playing the tag of within this weekly gap. I stacked up a lot of my position of shares and options at the run of this short-term low within this weekly gap, and I've been riding this up, looking to target 130s. And coincidentally, when price ran this short-term low, I believe on Friday or Thursday, coincidentally, CRWV is enlisted in the NASDAQ. Massive bullish catalyst for the stock. It will eventually drive up to the highs. So random. I was literally, bro, Brandon, I'm not gonna lie, I'm just like, I was just fucking around. I was looking at dollar index. I was looking at oil dropping down to the monthly gap. I think indices, I don't think I can get anything on indices right now because I think we're just kind of pushing. I'm hoping, yo, you know what's funny? We're still holding that order block here on the 5-minute from the indicator playing off right now. That 5-minute bearish order block is still holding its value. It might hit a 1 to 2. I need is to be struck by. Guys, gonna see in live time of it playing out. I see a lot of people actually taking some decent trades on 6E and 6B, but primarily 6E. This week actually had it was a very explosive move on. Did we respect on dollar index that daily gap? Technically, we did. But it just rocket shipped. Inside, all the way. I used to love foreign currency swings, bro. Swing trading FX was like amazing back in this day and age, bro. The 2022 era, that was fucking beautiful. This was when I was on my foreign currency grind. All throughout this era. 2022 ICT mentorship. All the homies were trading EU, GU, Euro JPY, GBP JPY, USD JPY, USD CAD. All the homies were trading it. Yo, the real OGs, bro, know my Asia sessions, my Asia session trades on AUD JPY and NZD JPY. AUD JPY and NZD JPY, I had a fucking beautiful ass fucking model for that shit. That Asia model was fucking prime. That was all time. Sparks light like the 4th of July. Take me to the other side. See it's sexy looking eyes and I know we ain't friends anymore. Walk down this road. It's for show tonight. Why did I change the futures? Because look at what happened after the run here. This run back in 2022 was when I started finding ICT. This was the run. And then after that run and the blow off top on the dollar index, it did nothing. It literally just stayed ranging. And now it's doing the same. It's literally doing the same thing here. I was trading the 2020. I was learning ICT 2022 model, trading CFD props, only foreign currencies on MetaTrader 4 and 5, and this is what I was trading. It was beautiful. It was like beautiful. And then we had the blow off top on the dollar index, and then we just consolidated for like literally years. Bro. Motherfuckers don't have this shit, bro. Y'all don't know, y'all don't have. Remember when they took it off the App Store? They took it off the App Store. Up inside like that 4th of July. I remember there was a time where they took off MetaTrader from the App Store and people were selling their phones that had MetaTrader on their phone for thousands of dollars. Who remembers that? Who remembers that? Is QT important? Oh, no, it's not like essential for everybody. It's a confluence. I think that it's important, but it's not a necessity. It's not a necessity for everybody to trade. You can trade however you like. You don't need it. Match Trader's good too. I use that. I've used Match Trader, Trade Locker. I'm not really too big of a fan. Trade Locker's interface is pretty nice, but I think that there was just nothing better from a trader's perspective from going from MetaTrader 4 to MetaTrader 5. Like, there was nothing better than migrating from that platform to the next platform. It was like going from using a flip phone to the iPhone 17. It's like crazy how it took so long for those people, those developers, to implement a click and drag stop loss and take profit placement. Forex or indices? Indices. I was not a mentor in IM Academy. I was not. For my model, honestly, you don't even need it for my model. But it helps it tremendously. MT4 was where the real people in the trenches were trying to grow. Brandon, I'm so happy that I didn't get looped into that, bro. I mean, compared to what everything's out now, yeah, it's dog shit. But MetaTrader 5 was awesome. Oh, it's So, okay, I'll give you a quick explanation. So, pretty much, in the most simplistic explanation here, let's say price has this move here. Let's say there's a fair value gap here. And let's say we're looking at like, let's say this is a 6-hour chart. Actually, let me make this a little bit better, actually. Drag this a little lower. Like this. Okay. So let's say price is trading in a 6-hour bullish fair value gap. And let's say that this candle here is the midnight 12, let's say this is the 0. This swing low is midnight, and this swing low here is 6 a.m. Is this how? I'm an idiot. Let's say this is 6 a.m., right? Actually, I think I fucked that up again, too. Whatever it is. That's 6 a.m. I don't care. Now, a sequential SMT divergence or an I know. I'm like fucking. Okay, there. I'm an idiot. I'm a couple drinks in from dinner. Give me a break. Midnight candle. The next consecutive candle is a sequential SMT divergence that would be within the gap on consecutive candles that print like this. So back-to-back candles, right? Something just hit on NQ. I think it was probably a 1 to 2. But this is where you get the sequential SMT divergence when it prints between consecutive candles like that. A regular SMT divergence would literally just be like this. Oh, fuck. If I go like this, I clone this here, I drag it up, pull it over here. If, let's pull this over to the side, let's say price was like this. Oh, fuck. Like that. And it was between the midnight candle and the 12 p.m. That's just a regular SMT. Sequential SMT divergence is between consecutive candles at print. Just like that. SMT within the fair value gap is both examples like this. An SMT divergence that occurs, a Kraken correlation occurring within an internal range liquidity pool tag. And an SMT fill would be like this. Control here. Clone this. So let's say that this here. Oh, fuck. Let's say that this here is that 6 hour bullish fair value gap. Boom, delete this, delete this. Okay. So let's say that same bullish fair value gap here is, this is NQ. And this is the S&P 500. Change, please. Okay. So the SMT fill is when we get a run like this, or here, hold on, make this a little bit better. Perfect. Perfect, like this. Like that. So one asset, NQ, will tag the gap. It will mitigate the unmitigated gap. But the corresponding asset that's supposed to move together does not tag the gap. So one asset tags, the other one doesn't, creating an labeled SMT fill. But I never called it SMT fill. I literally would just call it a breakaway gap. That's pretty much what it is. Like, I don't know where the name SMT fill came in from. I've always called it for years just like it's a breakaway gap because price has already mitigated the gap. We already ran liquidity at that low, balanced the range. The corresponding asset does not need to run that low and tag the gap. So it's, in my eyes, it's like this range does not need to be balanced, or we don't need to rebalance the imbalance because the correlated asset has already rebalanced the range. All these like fancy, I don't know. I've had this concept listed and out for the public for literally 2 years now, and it's just someone called it SMT fill. Also, the indicator printed a 1 to 2. Even though it was a small trade, but 1 to 2 risk to reward hit here for like a little ass scalp. We did IFVG here. I'm taking a picture of that and I'm sending it to him. Cal, you're taking that at half risk? Got you, got you. The 1 hour and 90 minute? That would be nice. Hourly gap would be good. I would like that. That would be nice. On my back. Ba, 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 ba. It's actually really nice to see on, well, it's good to see at least on the S&P 500 and NQ how neither of them have now created a bearish fair value gap for a resistance point on price. The only one that did is the Dow Jones, but I don't think the Dow Jones retakes this high here. I think that NQ and ES can retake the high tomorrow, or at least get within the range. Yeah, no, Brent, I completely agree with you, bro. I just have some giveaways for y'all that I want to do. Because it's a short trading week this week because we have Juneteenth on Friday, bank holiday, so the market's going to be closed. So yesterday and tonight are going to be the only streams that we're going to be doing for Asia. It's not like we're going to be able to do a stream tomorrow night. But I hope that explanation that I gave on SMTs made sense to you guys. I think that Bitcoin still goes lower. I think Bitcoin still goes lower. This is my chart on Bitcoin. I think it's probably going to create an SMT, or it's going to need to create an SMT inside of this daily bearish fair value gap with ETH. See how ETH, or no, sorry, this is a weekly gap. Holy shit. I didn't even fucking realize. I think if we create an SMT inside of this weekly gap, then that'll be good for another short. Genuine. I would love that. I want Bitcoin down, yeah, down to 49. I have alerts all in my phone of December of the end of the year and January of the start of 2027 buying crypto. I think this thing fades down to here, 49. Maybe, if we're lucky, we get down here. Maybe, if we're lucky, we get down here. And this is where I unload the tank. I'm gonna come up. 2026 is flying when you actually, when you're having fun, bro. Brandon, remember when we heard this at Miami Music Week What is it called again? Electric Factory or something like that? Bum, 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 bum. This is on my body. Just make believe. That shit was crazy. Yo, Riordan drops a banger song tomorrow, or Friday. Riordan drops an absolute banger, bro. Bum, 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 bum. That shit was insane, right, bro? Raps are flow. They can't get next to this. Rhymes are souped up. Did anybody short the 5-minute IFVG on NQ? If you are, I would be cautious with the hourly gap that we're trading in, that we're gonna be trading into in the next minute 30. Watch me get to this. Oh yeah, in order to be a part of the giveaway, guys, you have to have hit the like button and be subscribed to the channel. Good exit on gold. Nice. Have that hourly gap tag marked off here, guys. Party souped up. Come and dance up. It's coming in the next 43 seconds. Same thing with the new 4-hour candle. One-on-one. I get hype. MC sounds like. Here's the new 4-hour and the new hourly candle incoming. Rap starts from and they rap starts from. I'm honestly, bro, I'm not gonna lie, I just didn't take anything because I already took a gold trade. Like right now, I'm already up 6.5 on the day. Oh, I'll be hawking tomorrow, Brandon. I'll be hawking. I'll hawk and hawking. Bum, 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 bum. How are you guys doing so far this trading week? How's everybody been doing so far? Type 1 in the chat if you are green, a 2 in the chat if you're red, and a 3 in the chat if you are break even. How's everybody doing? Okay. Got a decent balance here. 1 for profit, yeah. I'll do that recap. I'm gonna do an end of the week trade. I'm gonna do an end of the week recap. Tomorrow. I'll post that on YouTube. Alright, let's get this going actually. Where is this? Let's do this here. Alright, we'll do one giveaway for a random number. We'll do another giveaway from, and then we'll do 2 other ones from random words. Bump, bump. All right. Okay. Ready? Thinking of a number between 1 to 500, go. A number between 1 and 500. Now I want to see how long this takes. Last time I did 1 to 250 and it... Wow. All right. It was 345. That's what it was. 345 was the number. Matters dash Q5I. My boy, can you do me a favor? Can you send a message into the free Discord? If you go to the description of the live, just put in that, put in your name, type it in, and I'll DM you. Let me screenshot this. Matters dash Q5I. Send a message in the free Discord and I'll DM you, brother. Alright, numbers go by a little too quick, so let's do a different one. We're gonna do the word now. Now I just gotta think of a word. Yeah, no, you got it, bro. Take your time. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Next giveaway is going to be a word, and it is a special word because it is something that is coming very soon. And it has to do with trading. And it has to do with... What the... Are you serious? Wow. Okay. Never mind. Shit. Alright. Maddox, you got it. Jesus. That happened. I didn't think it was that big of a giveaway. Fuck. Alright. Maddox, can you do me a favor, bro? Can you go into the Discord and send a message? Maddox18. Do me a favor. Send a message in the chat. I will send you a link. Or I will send you... Sorry, I'm not going to send you a link. I'm going to send you a code for a free month for the Forever Model Indicator. Update is coming for that thing this Friday. I'm so excited. And if you guys already know this, I'm doing a series with you guys. You're going to see it live on YouTube. I'm going to be only taking trades with the indicator. Oh, yo, Maddox, you have to accept my friend request for me to DM you. You have to accept my friend request. I just DM'd you. So you see, you see what the trade that played out here on the chain to the safe delivery after the 90-minute SMT here? Within the 90-minute bearish fair value gap. Short-term high run. 1 and 2 risk to reward. It's exactly this. This is not on the old one, it's on the new one. Oh, here, hold on. Let me resend this to you, bro. I'm just resending it to you right now. There you go. And then Maddox, you redeem it through that link. And then Matters, let me know when you're good. And then let's do another one. Where did that go? Boom, okay. Let's do another word. I got it. Okay. The next one. Matters dash Q5I. Do me a favor. DM me on Instagram. DM me on Instagram and I'll send you, bro. DM me on Instagram. Or, no, yo. Matters, are you Tequila? Or Let Mark? Is that you? Funny name, bro. Alright. I'm sending it to you now, bro. Tequila. There's yours, my boy. Sent you that. You could redeem that here. Alright. right, now next word is active now. Next word is active now, and it is, no, it's a word. It is a word. Someone, or Dirt got close to it. I'll just say that. Dirt got close to it. Dirt Road Falcons, you were close. Bingo. Bingo. And honestly, Cookie, you were right after, so I kind of want to give you one too. Vex Solar 7320. Send a message in the free Discord, and then Cookie, I want to give you one too. Because you were right back to back. You literally said it like as soon as he said it, I see you. Like you were right there. Like here was Vex, and then Cookie, you were right there. So Vex Solar 7320, do me a favor and send a message in the free Discord, and I'll hook you up, brother. Send a message, Vex. There you are. All right, sending it to you now. Okay, DMing you. Boom. Vex, you gotta DM me, bro. I don't know why it's not letting me DM you. Vex, send me or accept my request. All right, perfect. Boom. Redeem that here. And then Cookie. Same thing. Same thing there. Beautiful. All right, well, for tomorrow, guys, this is what we're going to be looking for. This is how we're going to be navigating price for the remainder of the week, primarily tomorrow, because technically tomorrow is Friday. I want to see a continuation higher. I want to see a continuation. I want to see a validation of bullish structure on index futures. I'm going to see what happens when we wake up tomorrow. If price is already past these down close candles, that would be a very, very good sentiment. If we could have expansion through this and then trade higher through this 4-hour gap, that would be amazing. Get a framework of trades from hourly 90-minute gaps, 4-hour gaps potentially that get created overnight. I will definitely be looking for longs. So keep an eye out for it. Hopefully we can get good price action and close off this week strong, having a daily internal to external range move. If we don't get the run tomorrow, then we can get the run next week. Just a continuation of bullish order flow. But I hope you guys all have a great rest of your night. Be safe, and I will talk to you guys all later on. Also, it's for the indicator, Cookie.